आप सीधा लिख दो, हाथ से नहीं लेगा, हाथ से प्लान नहीं चलेगा, और वो तो प्लान बॉन्ड एकदम बॉन्ड
Mentah kesengi ka life trik jong uleber aja ar ki nong elam ber ki paidbah nong shong shnong jong ka shnong thang sky East Giant Hill District kilalik ban khang ya baro ki kali ki bawan ban rong shapo karkhana pan mi daubilat jong ka Dalmia Cement da ka bara ya ki lamayong badru perta persha halo ka jing le bomse nyau jong ka ni ka company ya ki bor pan ya shnong Laru ban penkin mau hang ne bahak arpu paratrik ulebe aja arfuar. Laru ban penkin mau hang ne bahak arpu paratrik ulebe aja arfuar. Kinong punya chnong jong chnong thang sky is Giantia Hills. Kilalik ban khang ia ka jaka bu nyut jong ka company dobila Dalmia Cement. But hadin jong ka jingmi khubor hak arpu paratring na kaliang jong ka office jong u deputy commissioner ka is Giantia Hill district kalapha ia ki briu ban let jurip ia kete ka jaka. Shua jong kade na kaliang ko office jong u deputy commissioner Kim Shem la Shimkhia wara ba ka shnong kale ban pha ye ka jing ujor halo ka jinglong jingman jong kate ka jaka bu nyut jong kate ka company Dalmia katkom ka jing ong jong ki bor panya shnong la ong ba ye kite ki nyut lawan man kit nadu na bar jong ka jilla kumna Assam Mizoram Silcha Agartala bat ki we pat ki jaka Kadhadu bala pelaj ya kani ka khubor hakani ka por nakaliang jong ka company baru nakaliang jong ki boss chashnong kitang don hapdeng jong ka jing keren ban yap be ya ketika kam
ne ong wan mentahang ne duduk menin ngi wan mo perbawan hata pangpet ong seperti kang bai wat ai bandrung itu beru sertar wat ai bandring bah senang datang ong hak wan hang ne mentah ngin pej mo uru ham kap pedat mentah malu melangin ye pej ukum no bekap perba ngirung sepok mailat temen menin la dep mentu de wan mentah de pejui mas ne lihat
kam city wadayo inunu idi mut da assure wi wa khang no ka with immediate effect no ya kani kau nak siap tai sakawi wan ongu wa igari motor le udang em chabar to khang no chisin da mut assure wa di kani ji thok ada bai khang
yo poi hani nang yut tadep tong dia lawan mana be ini bekap jadu i de mentah ong de impat pedang gani citi kumba kwa kasna kampat yadai ngidang ong mentah ngin pempai gani kin ai ke jingtok de kiwe ngin pedang mentah lada biang ke jingtok ngin pedang lada biang ke jingtok ngi khang ba yani ngin ya yeng ba hang ne ngim like itu
mut ama jia ni ji tho ikwa in liang chnong ikwa ba khang ga ta thau no sin ru ko mut chisin dot ir kwa md ko tai tada jia gini company mungat yi ikwa ba ji woto ukit ivitai waste material lo no is thawan ra I kam chnong ikwa ite te don ikwa
for the cleanliness of the society because whole world is lying on the garbage now everywhere we have the huge accumulation of the garbage. So in the similar direction, cement industries has taken the action to collect this garbage and to utilize in our kilns, where we can burn it up to certain percentage. So this is the very novel cause we are doing for the society, and we are bringing this garbage from different municipal corporations. Like we have the agreement with Shillong Municipal Corporation. In future, we are going to have our agreement with Joai Municipal Corporation. And also our further step will be the Khyrdop, East Giant Hill District Municipal Corporation. So this is our aim. And from these places we are bringing this garbage.
Is it true that you are bringing from other states also?
Yes, we have some agreement with the Guwahati Municipal Corporation also. So some part we are bringing, but not 100% we are bringing from the Guwahati.
You are planning to burn in?
Yeah, we are burning it. We are disposing it in a burning process. This is the internationally proven process.
Okay. So is there any agreement before bringing this?
We have the agreement with the pollution control department. We have the agreement and clearance from the pollution control department of the Meghalaya government. Also from the industrial department everywhere. We have NOCs and everything for this processing.
Okay, regarding NOC you got, and anything with the head village authority?
Actually, for this type of uses, there is nowhere written that we have to take the NOC from the village, because we are doing inside our plant. We are bringing it inside our plants, and we are handling it very proper way so that the land should not contaminate, and we are as it is coming, we are using same. We are not doing any segregation and other things also.
Okay.
That's
Before
why
bringing this, did village authority know this plan?
certainly they know, but not through the direct communication.
Okay.
Because there are the industrial, as per industrial rules, it is not nowhere written that for this type of things we have to take the clearance from the village authority. I will tell you one more thing here in the similar direction. This Tangskai village, from where these villagers were available here,
Okay.
we had started to collect the garbage from this village also.
Okay.
We have distributed two type of bins to them. One is yellow color, another one is green color. Yellow color is the segregated waste, plastic waste, another thing which can be disposed in our kiln. Another one is the green color for the biodegradable. There should not be any negative thinking on this. This is my request, and my request to you, also being a media person, this must be published and it must go to the public. That for what novel cause we are doing this work.
But
That's
the
all
thing
from my
is
side.
that no, those rubbish are scattered around.
No, we are not scattering. We are properly storing it, and as it is coming, we are using directly, even though not segregating anywhere.
Okay.
It is not getting scattered anywhere. Future also, if we will handle it, we will handle it with the proper taking care, and we will dispose it in proper taking care, so that it will not increase any pollution, it will not increase any land contamination, it will not harm. But it will give the benefit to the society, because we are going to use this garbage.
Tang bak senang lap society. Tang bak jingle jong kani company imat ba kalayu right sisai ngi kesenang. Namar wat ke city ngi lap has po company na do disembar ar hajar artuai. Tang ba wat ya kataru ke company ka khot ban kren de kren kampoi seno nang ta ngi lap ha ya ka jingtho sepo deputy commissioner po clearian ngi ap hadu sibnai tam. Tang ba na po DC office ru don response AA. Haka ni ka tio bawan ngila leit inspect ngi kum kesnong ngila lap si sai ta ki nyut ki bawan keleng ndai su tang na po rikasi jantia jong ngiru ndai wat na nang tina agartala na Siliguri na Assam West Bengal kum ta ter te mar yami tu ka news mut ha kini ki arlais ngi nagaliang office jong BC kila call yu rong ba snong hana bakin wan inspect Henry hakas ngi bi inspect menin pan kabi ilang ngo ba what yo tau brew jong bisiru kini ki security hang ni kim ken snap what ya ka get ru kim pli yo te ngi mansing yong balengin ngin su yeng sa market ngi kum ka nong ilam snong ngi bat tau bawan DC office ngi la elite pai no
ni ka jing khang jong hang ne dodok ba u ar hajar ar huwe ngila ai ke citi company nomor menta kam khut yekran mai kran kampoi chono haden kata tos ngi arpo prataring ngi lech chapa company ngi lech kumi dokhat chnong ngi wan hang to company ka ngi pe dang don kumoju ke ya thang dang wan ki kali ngi be ke kali tos ngi haden kata ngi ong ngin khang hang ka tos ngi to one the DC yang office one the DC office one ka phone ki ong yang ngin lech inspect mo nga ong biang ki ong la chai mo menin ki wan menin ki ong ngin wan hadu hapo khat arbaje ngi ong wan menlu ngi ki ong wan ya lek lang mo tingi lek lang menu lek lang hatai poi hapo company hatai get hapo hatai kim sha bandrung phone chu ediru umrap phone chu siburu umrap phone chu skurtiri u ong ngi ladap yo permission du idi ngimpler ka get tengah ong itu bapa the office yang DC nga ang sim ne lembar phone jong edi nga ai phone ma piyo rapu katar umrap phone ro haden kata ngi ong ngin don kam ayu hang ne mo pin yo jo phai na to bapa the office jong DC ru wan phai na tengir ya lek na kan kata
yang FPGP ne wani kat hadi thau ya kan chanlang ya ga dorbar sunang thaskai ne benta wo khang syndon ya ga ni ga jingbrat plastik pathar yang ni ga company Dalmia haju iporle wo khang syndon ni ga plan ignang rim ga sunang thaskai yenga ne liang i ga sen ngita i lai sirup kan